In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a paid bill in Xero. When a bill is marked as paid in Xero, you can't delete it straight away. First, you need to remove the payment that's attached to the bill. This safely unwinds the reconciliation and moves the bill back to an unpaid state, so you can fix it or remove it as needed. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what's happening behind the scenes so you're confident every step of the way. Start by opening Xero and signing into your organization. From the main dashboard, head to Purchases. This is where you manage everything you owe to suppliers. Next, go into Bills. You'll see tabs that group bills by status. Choose the Paid tab to display bills that Xero currently considers settled. Open the specific bill you want to undo. On the bill, look for the payment details, usually shown as a linked payment reference under the Payment section. Click that payment link. This takes you to the underlying bank transaction that marked the bill as paid. On the bank transaction screen, find the Options menu. Click Options, then choose Remove and Redo. Xero will prompt you to confirm. When you proceed, Xero removes the reconciliation and any linked spend money entry that was created by that match. The original bank statement line will reappear in your Reconcile screen, ready to be matched again correctly later. Most importantly, the bill is no longer paid. It moves back to an awaiting payment state, which allows you to manage or remove it appropriately. A few tips to keep things smooth. If the bill was paid in parts, you'll see multiple payment lines on the bill. Open each payment and use Remove and Redo for everyone until the bill shows no payments left. If the payment came from a batch, removing it here will remove just this bill's link from the batch without deleting your actual bank statement line. Also, make sure you have the right user permissions in Xero, typically standard or advisor access, to remove reconciliations. If you're unsure, check with your organization's Xero administrator before proceeding. Remember, Remove and Redo does not delete your bank statement data. It simply undoes the link between the bank transaction and the bill so you can correct the bill or handle it properly. Once the payment is removed and the bill is back to unpaid, you're free to proceed with your usual bill actions to finalize the cleanup. That's it. Quick, precise, and fully reversible if you need to try again. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along in your own Xero file.